It's been drilled into our heads by doctors, health experts, and our parents that the number of hours you spend with your eyes closed is the ultimate measure of a good night's sleep. You think getting enough sleep is the key to a long life, but you could be dead wrong. What if I told you that a groundbreaking study analyzing over 10 million hours of sleep from nearly 61,000 people revealed a common sleep mistake that's a stronger predictor of whether you'll live a long life than how many hours you actually sleep? What if this same mistake was linked to a higher risk of dying from all causes by up to 48%? In this video, I'm going to expose what that mistake is, break down the shocking science of why it's so dangerous, and give you a simple, science-backed plan to fix it, starting tonight. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone you care about. For decades, the conversation around sleep has been dominated by one thing: duration. Health organizations like the National Sleep Foundation have established clear guidelines, recommending most adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. This has led us to become obsessed with the number. But this obsession with duration has made us blind to a much more powerful factor. Focusing only on duration is like judging a meal by its weight. You could eat 5 pounds of candy or 5 pounds of steamed vegetables. They weigh the same, but their impact on your body is completely different. Similarly, you can get 8 hours of sleep, but if the quality and, crucially, the timing of that sleep are chaotic, your body isn't getting the restorative benefits it desperately needs. Now, scientists are making it crystal clear that when you sleep and how consistent you are with that timing is a far more critical lever for your health and longevity. Let me say that again. How consistent you are with your bedtime and wake-up time is more important for your survival than how many hours you sleep. Higher sleep regularity was associated with a 22% to 57% lower risk of death from cardiometabolic diseases like heart attacks and strokes, and a 16% to 39% lower risk of dying from cancer. A chaotic sleep schedule is a massive risk factor for an early grave. First, your metabolic health can collapse. Second, your heart pays a heavy price. Third, your brain and mental health suffer. This is why irregular sleep is directly linked to depression, mood swings, and reduced cognitive function. The good news is, sleep regularity is something you have complete control over. You don't need expensive supplements or fancy gadgets. You just need a plan and the discipline to stick to it. Here is your 4-step action plan to reclaim your rhythm and protect your health. Step 1. Anchor your wake-up time. This is the single most important step. So pick a wake-up time and stick to it. 7 days a week. Yes, that includes weekends. Secondly, engineer your bedtime. You can't force yourself to fall asleep, but you can create the perfect conditions for it. For 30 to 60 minutes before your target bedtime, turn off bright overhead lights, put away all screens, and do something relaxing. This could be reading a physical book, light stretching, or journaling. This ritual is your landing sequence, telling your brain and body that sleep is coming. Number 3. Get morning light. As soon as you can after waking up, expose yourself to bright, natural sunlight for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Lastly, be mindful of evening disruptors. You can do everything else right, but a few mistakes in the evening can throw your schedule off. The 2 biggest culprits are late-night eating and bright light exposure. By following these, you have up to a 48% lower risk of an early death. Stay healthy. See you in the next video.